A feature store. Canonical feature serving for machine learning. In this overview, we'll walk through what it means, why it matters, how it works at a high level, and where it shows up in real products and systems. By the end, you'll have a clear mental model of a feature store and how it fits into the broader AI landscape. Let's get started. Let's start with the core idea behind a feature store. Here's the essentials of a feature store in plain language, what it is, and why it was introduced. A feature store has become one of the terms you keep seeing in AI posts, research papers, and product launches. It's worth getting a clear, precise definition. Behind the buzzword, it addresses a concrete technical need in generative AI systems. It didn't appear for marketing reasons. Once you understand it, you read AI documentation, benchmarks, and release notes with much more confidence. And like most good ideas in AI, it connects to fundamentals you probably already know from classical machine learning. Now let's look at why a feature store matters in practice. Here's where a feature store shows up in real products, teams, and everyday conversations. A feature store shapes how modern AI products are designed, measured, and improved over time. It's part of the decision set for every serious AI team. You'll see it in job interviews, architecture discussions, and product reviews. Being fluent in it is part of the basic vocabulary now. It influences the practical trade-offs around cost, output quality, safety, and response speed, the dimensions that matter most in production. Understanding it helps you ask sharper questions, push back on marketing, and make smarter decisions about where to invest your AI efforts. Let's recap the key takeaways on a feature store and what to do next. A feature store is one of the foundational concepts shaping the current AI wave. It has a concrete technical meaning beyond the marketing, and that meaning is worth learning. Knowing it pays off when you read AI content, build AI products, or make decisions about AI investments. A natural next step is to explore the related concepts in our AI Glossary series, where each term gets the same treatment. That's a feature store in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more AI explainers, and check out our AI and Generative AI course for a complete, structured walkthrough of the ideas powering modern AI systems. Links in the description. See you in the next video.